Hey guys, it's that Dividend guy coming at you with another dividend investing video. I hope everybody had a GGD, a great green day in the market. So today, I just wanted to say happy Wednesday. My friend's watching The Masked Singer, and I just got away to film real quick. So we're gonna go over the portfolio, review how it's done, and then the individual stocks real quick. So we're down about $180 today. For the week, we are down 1,060. For the month, we're down 933. The 3-month mark, we're down 1,100. For the year, we're still up 972, and all time we're still up 969. So we're pretty much at the S&P 500 rate right now. Let's look and see how the individual stocks did today. So Altria is down about 50 cents. $42, 98 shares, $4,100 of equity. 45.30 is our average cost. 26% of the portfolio is in Altria stock. Down $48 today, down $3.23 all time. Then we got CocaCola, which is down 42 cents today. Down 42 cents, not too bad. 17 shares, $9.75 for our equity. 51.10 is our average cost. 6% of the portfolio is in Coca-Cola stock, down $7 today. Total, we're up 107. Then AT&T's finally coming down from its 52-week highs of $38. Down about 33 cents right now. 62 shares, $2,300 worth of equity. 31.10 is our average cost. About 15% of the portfolio is in AT&T stock. Down $20 today, up $3.67. Then we have AbbVie, which took a really big dive today. Looks like kind of bounced back. Yeah, that's a lot of fluctuation for AbbVie. 60 shares, $5,300 of equity. 72.22 is our average cost. 34% of the portfolio is in AbbVie stock. Down 60 today, up 950. So not doing too bad. SKT, this one's really been down. So 13 shares, I doubled my equity in this. 155.61 is our equity. About $14 is our average cost, which I'd be going way down if I had more cash right now. 1% of the portfolio is in SKT, so it's really nothing. Today we are down 442. Total, we're down 25.47. Then we have Target, down $1.06. 10 shares, $1,100 of equity, 87.68 is our average cost, so it's still way above our average cost here. 7% of the portfolio is in Target stock, $10.60. We're down today. Total, we're up $2.29. Then we have ExxonMobil at $53, 29 shares, $1,500 of equity, 73.50 is our average cost, so almost $20 down right now on each share. About 10% of the portfolio is in ExxonMobil, down $35 today. Total, we're down $594. Then Walgreens, we're up today 16 cents. 1 share, 47.67 is our equity, 54.60 is our average cost, and 0.3% of the portfolio is in Walgreens stock. Up 16 cents today, down $6.93 total. And then real quick, since everybody's worried about the market, I wanted to go through the stocks again on my watch list. 77.58. It's still closer to its high than its low. This is definitely a buy. FRT is still down. Disney is getting really close to my buy. I said 122, but I would be closer. I want it to be more like 115, but I would be willing to buy it at 122, so it's getting close to a buy for me. Down $5 today. Then PepsiCo's at 141, $6 lower than 52-week high. Not even close. Not a buy for me. KimberlyClark is at 138, still closer, about $10 below its 52-week high, but not low enough for me to consider it a buy here. Maybe in like the 125 range I'd buy it, so like another $15. Illinois Toolworks still about $15 from its 52-week high, but not close enough to the low. I'd be looking at about $150, so another $25 down. Colgate, this one is about $5, only $2 below, less than like $1.80 below its 52-week high. Wouldn't be buying that right now. Lowe's, 91, it's about middle. So about $13. So that's a fair value, but I wouldn't buy it. Procter and Gamble, not close enough, still too close, $8 below 52-week high. American Express too high. Clorox is still close to the 52-week high. Union Pacific, I'd want it closer to the 100 and probably 60, so $5 down. Not quite. Dominion Energy, not even close. We could drop another $10 and be a great value. Then we have American States Water. I'd need to drop like $10 to $12 for me personally, get down to 70, 73, $74. And Canadian National Railway, 88, it's too close to 52-week high. It's about $5. Yeah, that's fairly priced. Waste Management, not touching it. Johnson & Johnson, I want it to be about 140, maybe 138 before I bought it, so not quite yet. 3M's at 148, still a buy, only $3 above. McDonald's, not even close. Berkshire, not even close here. So again, the only two stocks that I would consider buying would be FRT, and I think Lowe's is fairly priced, but the only other one I'd buy is 3M. So again, not super worried. I know the Dow dropped again today, but not really worried about it. Short term just means that there's deals on the market. Dividend investors love when the market is down. It gives us great deals. So anyways, guys, with that, I will see you tomorrow with another dividend investing video. Like, I know the short term fluctuation is kind of crazy right now. Nothing to get super worried about. Keep in mind, I'm doing this portfolio. I'm 24 right now, turning 25 in November. I'm doing this until I'm 60. So like, this really doesn't matter. It's short, very, very short term when I look in the full lifetime of my portfolio and my goals as an investor, so I'm not worried about it. But let me know down in the comments below, guys, what stocks are you thinking about buying? As I said, I really do, in previous videos, I do want to buy Disney at like 120. If I can get it at like 118, I'd buy it. And then I think 3M's a buy right now. So those are the only two that I'd be buying. And FRT right now, 3M, FRT are both dividend kings that I consider buying, and then Disney if it dropped like $3-4 lower. But that's it. So anyways, guys, I'll see you tomorrow with another dividend investing video. Keep your head up, don't get too worried about it, and stay confident, stay strong in your investment philosophies, and don't let market panic change the way you invest or how comfortable you feel about investing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I want to say thanks to all the new subscribers, all the OGs that have been subscribed to the channel for a while. I started this in like October of last year, and just to see the growth within like 4 or 5 months is great. So thank you so much for the growth. Thank you for the views. I appreciate it. And like I said, if there are any deals in the market that aren't on my watch list or aren't in my portfolio, please let me know. I'm a value investor, so I do dollar cost average, but I try to buy at the right price, and a lot of times the market doesn't give it to you. Warren Buffett's quote of the market will give you pitches, it doesn't mean you have to swing, is kind of what I live by. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know if there's any deals on the market that I don't have on my watch list, and I'll see you tomorrow with another dividend investing video. Take care.